Big Joe, everybody. Welcome back. You're watching Vietnam Steve, and I've got a good one for you today. What I'm going to do is give you a quick overview of the Peugeot here and take you through some of the damage that occurred from Cyclone Yagi last year and show you how every sort of panel was damaged on the car. My car got away pretty okay in that here we are now, it still hasn't been repaired and we're driving around with it. But of course, other people had cars with broken windows and smashed sunroofs and all sorts of things. So this is quite light damage, but of course every panel needs a repair. And even here in Vietnam, like everywhere else in the world, the insurance company is a little slow, a little shoddy, and so we look at the front of the car there. The bonnet has significant scrapes on it. So they've sort of marked all of those with these white crosses. And then there's also a couple of fiberglass chips on the front here, and also further down here on that silver bit and around there on the edge. As we go down the side of the car, the first panel here seems okay. The second panel, the door here, seems okay. But this third panel's got one right here that they missed, and so we're in debate with them now as to getting that one fixed. A couple of dings on the back there, and then up here as well, down here. So all of that panel's taken a beating from something. On the roof, you might not be able to see it, but there are some minor scratches that they might be able to just buff out. And then as we go across the back, I don't see anything on the back, although we do have a chip on the light here. And then again, this back door here has got 3 marks on it there that need fixing. And the passenger's door here, significant mark there, another ding here. And down to the front on the side of the bonnet again, and on the side of the car. The roof has a sunroof, and we're very lucky that nothing happened there. But all in all, quite a lot of marks to fix up. So I'll be happy if it takes a couple of days. That's what they've told us. Probably going to put it in next weekend and see how it comes back with. Of course, see how it comes back with means see what it comes back with. So the Peugeot 3008 is a reasonable car. It seems to have some sort of gearing issue that it always feels like it's going around in second or third when it should be going in third or fourth. But we do drive it full. And of course, the other thing we do is we drive very slow here in Vietnam. So if you were doing 35 or 30 kilometers an hour, you'd be going quite quickly. So I like it because it suits 4 adults. We can fit obviously 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and gets us from A to B. That's probably the solution, isn't it? Thanks for watching, and thanks for asking me how the car's going. You've seen all the damage there. As you can see, it looks like a reasonable car, just a few scratches, which are going to be annoying over time. But where we are here, we got nailed by, my legs are getting eaten by flies here. We got nailed by sheets of tin, and I'll quickly show you where they came from. And multi-storey buildings across the way, and another set of multi-storey buildings there. But down in between, where that fawn-coloured roller door is a green roof. That's his workshop. He's the roller door man, actually. Well, that roller door blew off and came out to the middle of the street, and the green pieces of iron came flying across the road. So these cars here just got nailed. We are to the right here, so didn't get so much nailing, but we'd actually moved the car a little bit up the side of the house during Yagi. And so we were up this little laneway here, right against the pink house on the left there, up on the footpath. So we were right here. And that did protect us somewhat, because unless something was coming straight in behind here, it wasn't going to hit. Bit of damage on the side of the house there still, where that panel's missing, but that's all getting updated with a new shop that we're putting in there in the coming week. So, flying tin is not a good thing in a typhoon. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment at will. And I'll see you in the next one.